In this video, we will take a look at the workout set of queries related to the where clause. These queries are again related to the classic models database. And so go ahead and pause this video and take the opportunity to attempt these queries. Hopefully you've gotten the opportunity to attempt these queries. So now let's take a look at the solutions. Let's start off by first using the classic models database. The first query asks for the names of products where the quantity of product in stock is more than 5,000 units. So in this case, I want to select product name from products where quantity in stock, which is a column in the table, products is more than 5,000. This gives us 58 rows, 58 products where the quantity in stock is more than 5,000. The next query asks us to list out the name of products and the MSRP and buy price if the product is a type of classic car. Now, classic car is the product line of a product. So this should be product line equal to classic car. Classic cars, I'm sorry. And so we get 38 rows returned. This query is asking us to list out the names of products if the MSRP of the product is at least twice the buy price. So I want to select product name from products where I want the MSRP of the product, so this should be MSRP, is at least twice the buy price, so it needs to be greater than twice the buy price, 2 into buy price. And this gives me 41 rows where the MSRP of the product is at least twice the buy price of the product. In this case, you are asked to list out the names of customers that have a credit limit between 75 and 150,000 and are not from the USA. This is going to be select customer name from customers where the credit limit of the customer is between 75 and 150. So it needs to be greater than or equal to 75,000, and the credit limit should also be less than or equal to 150,000, and they're not from the USA, and the country is not equal to the USA. Now, when we have two conditions being evaluated over here, credit limit between these values and simultaneously country needs to be USA, we want to make sure we have these parentheses around the credit limit because this together forms one condition. The two credit limit operations form one condition and the country forms the second condition. If you run this, slight mistake. There we go. The slight mistake was I was missing 1 0. It was 15,000 and not 150,000. And there we go. We have the right result now. We have 42 rows returned. The next one is asking us to list out products, or in fact product names, from the 1960s and 70s. So I shall say select product name from products. Now, how do I know when the product is from? Well, one of the easiest ways when you're given a very general query like this is to actually take a look at the data. If you actually go ahead and take a look at the data, and how do you take a look at the data? You take a look at the data by running a select star from products table. You will notice that every product name is prefixed by the year the product was manufactured, right? And so where product name. Now, the entire product name does not contain like 1950, 1960. Only it starts with 1950 or 1960. So I'm going to use the regular expression operator, and I'm going to say starts with, right? The caret is an indicator starts with 196 or 197. And so we get those products that either start with 196 or 197. The last one asks us to list out names of products where the product vendor has die cast in their name. So select product name from products where the product vendor has die cast in their name. It is not their name, but is in their name. So regular expression die cast. And so these are the names of products that have die cast as in the name of the product vendor. This concludes the list of queries that were part of workout.